Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy using an easy method. You'll be surprised how quickly you can transform simple ingredients into a rich, savory sauce. We'll focus on building flavor from the start, ensuring your gravy is the perfect accompaniment to any meal. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this straightforward technique that yields fantastic results every time. Gathering your ingredients is the first step to success. You'll need those wonderful pan drippings, or a little butter if you don't have any. All-purpose flour is our thickening agent, and a good quality broth or even just water will form the base of your gravy. A whisk and a saucepan are also essential tools for a smooth, lump-free result. It's all about simple items for a delicious outcome. Hey everyone, if you're finding this gravy guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy cooking tips. While your delicious gravy is simmering, let's talk about another way to make life better. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. It's a classic for a reason. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other fantastic deals, right in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Let's get cooking. First, heat your pan drippings or butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once shimmering, whisk in the flour to create a roux, cooking it for about 1 minute until it's lightly golden. Now, here's the key. Slowly pour in your liquid, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to whisk gently as the gravy simmers and thickens to your perfect consistency. Season to taste and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.